This is a twice-baked potato. What's a twice-baked potato, you ask? It's a potato that has been baked twice. Don't ask silly questions. However, you may not know how to make twice-baked potatoes, and that is why I'm here. Now, to make the absolute best twice-baked potato is actually pretty simple. As is most cooking, you need baked potatoes that have been previously baked. You need bacon, onion, and a little cheese, but we'll use that in a sec. So, I'm going to chop up my bacon. Onto the heat it goes. Remember, anytime that you are sauteing pretty much anything, you want to salt and pepper it as it goes into the pan. Put a lid on that and let that cook. While that's cooking, I'm going to slice my potatoes. The other day when we made baked potatoes, I baked a couple of extra. So now I'm going to go right down the middle and then around, right down the middle and back to where I started. And I've got two halves of a potato. Don't make it difficult, y'all. It's just easy stuff. It's just cutting a potato in half. We grab our bowl, and then the key is score right along the inside, right along the peel, scooping to the score line. And that should give you a nice potato skin in order to stuff. I'll keep going with that. All right, this is where we like in our family the onion and bacon to get to. It's nice and brown, caramelized, but it's not overdone. It still has some body to it. And so that goes into our potato mix. And then a little cheese. Not too much. And then we stir it up. And any large pieces, we're going to smash them down. All right, and now we are going to start stuffing. I like to stuff each one with a little bit and keep growing it so that they all kind of have the same amount. If you pile one up and then you go to the next one and the next one, it's probably going to get less each time. So we'll see. And there I have 4 perfect restaurant-style twice-baked potatoes. They go into a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes, and we'll be back. All right, these literally just came out of the oven. but I am going to plate one up so I can show you, if you can see, just how beautiful they are. So we baked them once, then we hollowed them out, fried up a little bacon and onion, and tossed it with some cheese and baked them again. Twice baked potatoes. The absolute best side item to feed your family. Go give it a shot. Let me know how it is. Be sure to subscribe and visit us on Patreon, and I will see you next time.